In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return an item on Shein. Whether you're looking to get a refund or simply exchange an item, I'm here to guide you through every step you'll need to make this process as smooth and stress-free as possible. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to head over to Shein's website. If you're not already familiar, Shein is a popular online retail platform known for its wide variety of fashion items. You can easily access it by typing the web address into your preferred browser. Once the site loads, you'll find yourself on the homepage, where all the latest fashion trends are showcased. Next, you'll want to navigate to your profile. This is usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking on it will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. Here you'll find the My Orders section. This is the hub for all your purchases and is the key to starting your return process. Once you're in the My Orders section, look for the All Orders tab. Clicking on it will present you with a detailed list of all the items you've purchased. Browse through your list to find the specific item you want to return. Take your time to ensure you select the correct item, as each one can have different return policies and processes associated with it. When you've identified the item you want to return, locate and click the Return Item option. At this stage, Shein will guide you through a series of questions designed to collect essential information about your return request. This can include the reason for the return, whether the item was the wrong size, or if it arrived damaged. Be honest and specific with your answers to ensure the return process is tailored to your situation. As you answer the questions, Shein may provide additional instructions tailored to your return case. Follow these instructions carefully to avoid any complications. It's worth noting that depending on your location and the item being returned, you might be required to print a return label or choose a return shipping method. Always make sure to double-check all details before proceeding. And there you have it. Once you've completed these steps, your return process is essentially done. You'll likely receive a confirmation email from Shein, and it may include details about the next steps, such as when you can expect your refund or replacement item. Remember to keep an eye on your email for any updates or additional instructions from Shein. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel more confident in handling your returns on Shein. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the customer service options on their website for more personalized assistance. Thank you for watching and happy shopping!